Okay. I just moved over 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens from crypto.com to the Shiba Inu Shibaswap. The reason why I did it is mainly because of two things, and I want to show you why I did it. And I took the 5 million fee hit, and I'll show you right now exactly what that is. Let me go ahead and go to here. Boom, here it is, 5 million in fees. I moved over this amount. So what I did was I did 1 billion and then an extra to cover the fees. So that's what I did there. And this is proof that yes, there is a fee when you're moving things over. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. So the reason why I moved this over is because of two things, but let me show you real quick about scammers. Check out the scammers. You see this right here, the scammers. Let me zoom in for a minute. If you see anything like this in the comments, it's definitely not me. I'll definitely will not ask you to text any type of number or introduce you into some type of life-changing investment. I will not do that. So beware of these type of scammers. They're coming on people's channels and videos, so I really don't like that at all. So beware of that as well. Now, the reason why I'm moving it over because of the Shibaswap liquidity event that's coming up, and I want to be a part of it. So I know you possibly got your assets over at Binance or Voyager. I understand there's fees, costs there, but this is a long-term investment. And it's this liquidity event here has got me thinking, because I'm trying to earn more bone. Now, bone is only 250 billion bone that's actually created or will be created. And 105 billion will be actually involved in this liquidity event here, from my understanding. So I'm thinking here, I need to have the most asset that's on this platform to earn the most bone because of this event right here. And that's exactly why I want to do this. It says we're having a 2-week liquidity event. During the 14 days, 1,000 bone per block will be minted for allocation pool for the user returns. So that was the main reason why I wanted to do it. The second reason is because of the, the second reason is because of the, let me go back here. The second reason is because I want to bury more of my Shiba Inu to earn more bones. So that's my second thing. It's because if I have my Shiba Inu somewhere else like Binance or crypto.com, I'm missing out on the returns of the Shibaswap will be able to offer. None of those exchanges has what Shibaswap can offer in terms of returns. Now, I know you're probably sitting there comfortable. Hey, you know what? I'm pretty good having myself at crypto.com or Binance or Voyager. Keep on over there. I'm not telling you really to do that. I'm just explaining you that the power of this ecosystem of the Shibaswap will give all of us an opportunity just to earn more rewards. Just to let you know, I haven't seen anything like this online in terms of some type of earning type of system that the Shibaswap has. So the burying, the digging, and also the Shibaswap liquidity event has got me thinking, you know what? I need to be a part of this because I want to earn more rewards. Now, what I did with that 1 billion, I literally did this. I buried 1 billion of it. I buried all of it, and this is my total buried that I have total. So I went in here and buried it all, and I'll show you exactly what's on the phone as well of my Coinbase wallet, because I am transparent when it comes to these videos. So look at this. So this is the SHIB stake, because when you stake your Shiba, it goes into SHIB staking formality. So now I have this in here. This is the Shibaswap. Well, this is the Coinbase wallet feeding from the Shibaswap. And the reason why the value is not there, because the APY, my understanding, the APY hasn't been calculated yet. So then now we don't know the total value of your actually stake coins. And this is the same thing that happens when you're burying your Shiba, your LEASH, and your bone. So all this is being allocated, and so I'm really excited about that. The Shiba Inu, we don't have any Shiba Inu that's not necessarily buried. Everything's either buried or digged. Everything's either buried or digged at this particular time here. So that's what I did there. I just wanted to show you that real quick. I buried everything. I buried that whole 1 billion that I transferred from crypto.com to the Shibaswap ecosystem. Now I want to show you one more thing here that I want to basically break this down to you as well. Now, the Woofing thing, if you didn't watch any of my videos before, when you're digging for providing liquidity, when you're providing liquidity and creating those pairing, make sure you Woof. Make sure you Woof. You can create the pair right in here and add liquidity, or you can go right to Woof and do it from here. And so this is what I'm doing now. I've earned 4 bones already because I paired the bone and Ethereum together, and now I'm having an opportunity to earn more bones. You want to Woof that bone. I know this had nothing to do with the stuff about earlier about moving the 1 billion from crypto.com to the Shibaswap ecosystem of Coinbase wallet, but I want to throw this in here because make sure you Woof your digging transactions. And all you do is you come back in here and you put a deposit down. So if I pair these together, which I don't have a pairing with LEASH and Ethereum, I don't have that set up in terms of a pairing, I will go ahead and add a deposit. Well, first I will add liquidity first to create the pairing. Then I will come back here and add in a deposit for I can get the whole process started with the woofing and start earning more bones. That's simple. When you deposit or withdraw your Shibaswap liquidity pool, all of your pending bones for that pool would be woofed automatically. And that's awesome. And that's what's happening right now. This is happening automatically. So when I'm basically depositing, it's happening now. I'm excited. So don't forget the Woof. Don't forget the Woof. And also, if you're moving your stuff over from one exchange to another, if it's going to cost you 5 million fees to go to move it to a wallet, to one of these wallets here, let me go back here. One of these wallets here that's provided, you need to use one of these wallets. Just think about it. It's not financial advice necessarily, but just think about it. I moved my stuff over to a Coinbase wallet. I just showed you the proof there that cost me 5 million. And I'm pretty excited about it because this is a long-term play. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. If you want more Shiba Inu coin, you can get them on crypto.com. I got the link in the description, or Qcoin as well. And also, you can buy Bone also in the description box as well. So take a look at that. Follow me on Twitter. I'd love to be able to continue conversations, and let's do this together. I'm excited about it. Watch out for the scammers. Watch out for the scammers. And I'll see you on the next video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. And I'll see you on the next video.